What's poppin', gang? Today I'm going to be recording a hit song with the Neve 1073 and the U87, the legendary setup. I got two special guests here today.
41. Hey, man, you know what it is, man. Big ThugRichJefe, man. Hottest youngin' out of the Carolinas, man. We doing this shit, been doing this shit. Appreciate everybody following the kid. We really in this bitch, man. We about to cook up. Let's go.
Big famous nigga. The crazy nigga. The stupid nigga. You know what I'm saying? That nigga just fucked your mama last night. You stupid ass bitch ass nigga. Yeah. Dumb ass hoe ass bitch ass slut ass hoe. Yeah. Big famous nigga. Famous Jayski. Scarway. Finally famous. ThugRich shit, nigga. One way wonder. We popping, nigga. We having motion. Y'all bitch ass niggas ain't having shit. Let's go.
If you want more content like this, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also hit that notification bell so you'll be notified about more videos like this. Shout out to Z Sounds for sending me this microphone. They have a lot of options on their website to give you expensive gear at a low price. And don't forget to check out themusicgang.com. That's my personal website where you can get free templates, MIDI kits, loop kits to help you in your music creating process. All right, gang. So if you want to know my settings that I'm using for this session, go ahead and click the card at the top right. Basically, I'm using the exact same settings from that video, so I'm going to do that into this video so you can see exactly how right I was about those settings and all that, you know what I'm saying? But let's jump into this session.
Yeah, this the one right here, nigga.
It's the one?
It's the one, bitch.
All right, let's get it.
Yeah.
All right, gang, so we picked the beat. I'm going to go ahead and load it in Pro Tools, so let's go ahead and jump into that. Instead of using a clean Pro Tools session with no plugins, I use my brand new industry quality template with new effects. Perfect for the U87 and the Neve 1073 setup that I have. So glad to have this template. I can focus more on making a great session and less on mixing and mastering. Link in the description to get your copy. Bro and I is trying to figure out a really great concept for the song. We want to make a really great song, so it's good to have two heads better than one. So we came up with a few ideas. Jay got straight into writing out his bars. Don't forget to sub and hit that like button, gang.
So crazy is like the reason why like this song came together because like I met a little shorty, you know what I'm saying? She bad as fuck, who type shit. I ain't gonna put nothing like that over, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know, she made me feel like less of a man, you know, I feel like she on her shit, you know what I'm saying? But like I feel like we building together, but at the same time like she tricked me. The lifestyle wasn't like that, you know, so try to boss up, you know what I mean? But at the same time being woody woo, be the pussy up, chemo sabi. Try putting a Ferrari though, you know what I mean? Goddamn, man, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know, man. I told her. Big family, be wildin', yeah. I'm not no motherfucking guitar. Yo, I'm not trying to play with you, hardly. Yeah. Beat the pussy up, keep on sabi. Nah. I feel like I was doing too much.
Okay. I'm gonna start you closer to the hook.
Keep on sabi, yeah. Like, you know, something I gotta like, it's like something I'm missing. It's like a hit miss type shit. I feel like. Yeah. Yeah. Beat the pussy up, keep on sabi. Yeah, I'm just tryna hang with you. I'm not tryna play no game with you. But listen, bitch, I ain't beat the pussy up, keep on side me. I'm not tryna play with you. Beat the pussy up, keep on side me. Big famous, be wildin'. You think I'm playing with you? I'm not no motherfucking guitar. I don't come to play with you early. I try to put you in the Ferrari, playing games with a nigga, I don't play fair.
All right, gang, so we just recorded the hook. I'm gonna go ahead and drag it down. I think that's the best way as far as like, if you're an engineer, just have a separate track where you can record on and then drag it down to the main track where you're gonna use all your effects. And then because I have this in the tempo, you can just easily just drag it over to where the hook might be right here. I don't know. All right, so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and put the hook in the right spots, and then bro gonna work on his verse. You never know how far you can go. You never want to look back and say, I wish I at least tried. Or say, I could do the same thing but never get anything done. Never give up, keep going, your time is coming.
See a main nigga, he lame, baby, yeah. Keep a big thing on my hip, baby, that thing, baby, yeah. He playing games, shoot his game, baby, yeah. On the new floor, I'm going farewell. Fuck it with me, take it right there. All my niggas wanna play fair. Do we understand? I'm trying to tell you I'm the bigger man. With a drive a bigger plan. Fuck with your mental man. Say, that nigga got no motion, he be like gang. The fuck? Keep outside here. Yeah, I'm just trying to hang with you. Yeah. The fuck? I'm trying to play with you. Yeah. Big family heat.
After recording the hook, verse, and ad-libs, it's time to hear what we made. Sub and hit that like button, gang.
Playing games with a nigga, I don't play fair. See a main nigga, he lame, baby, yeah. Keep a big thing on my hip, baby, that thing, baby, yeah. He playing games, shoot his game, baby, on the new floor, I'm going farewell, yeah. Fuck it with me, take it right there. All my niggas wanna play fair. Do we understand? I'm trying to tell you I'm the bigger man. With a drive a bigger play. Fuck with your mental man. Say, that nigga ain't got no motion, he be like gang.
Alright guys, so we went ahead and finished the song. If you want to hear the full version, click the card at the top right. When it drop, make sure you drop a whole bunch of fire emojis, all that, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and follow my bro on Instagram. Go ahead, what's your Instagram, man?
Famous Jayski, man. The only one. Famous Jayski, _ Famous Jayski. Yeah.
And make sure you guys subscribe to his channel. There'll be a link in the description. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see on this channel. You guys stay safe. Peace.
You think I'm playing with you? I'm not no motherfucking Atari. I don't come to play with you early. I try to put you in the Ferrari. Playing games with a nigga, I don't play fair. Tell your boyfriend, he don't wanna take it down. Big famous, he'll take it down.